Hey everyone! Do you ever wish you could take notes without even typing? Well, guess what? With a little help from VBA, you can. And today, I'm gonna show you something super cool that'll make your life easier when working in Excel. Just imagine this. You're working on your Excel sheet, and instead of typing out long notes, all you gotta do is speak, and Excel will write it down for you. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not just any feature. It's VBA doing all the magic for you. Now here's the secret sauce. There's this little code in VBA with the click of a button, so Excel starts listening to your voice and writes down whatever you say. It's like having your own personal typist. And guess what? VBA is like this hidden superpower that so many people don't know about. But once you start using it, trust me, you'll wonder how you ever are worked without it. So let me show you how easy it is to get started with voice typing in Excel using VBA. All it takes is a little bit of code. Don't worry, no need to be a coder, I've got you covered. With the press of a button, you just start talking, and Excel will start listening. Just think of all the time you'll save when you don't have to type anymore. And the bestest part, once you see how powerful VBA is, you're gonna realize how much you've been missing out on. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. Why spend hours typing when you can just speak and let VBA handle the rest? So if you're not using VBA, you're leaving a lot of time and efficiency on the table. Trust me, once you start using it, you won't ever want to go back to the old way of doing things. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make Excel work for you.